Okay, so in continuation with our previous lecture, that we have seen the reactivity order of in the electrophilic substitution, that indole is less susceptible for electrophilic aromatic substitution than its analog pyrrole. Okay, so this was we have seen. Now, in next thing for reactivity, electrophilic substitution in indole, how we can explain that one. So, electrophilic substitution via addition elimination reaction in pyrrolic ring. Okay, so in indole, pyrrole ring is more nucleophilic than benzenoid ring, which is totally opposite to the quinoline ring. In quinoline, pyridine ring is nucleophilic than benzene ring. So that's why in quinoline, electrophilic attack takes place at benzenoid ring because benzenoid ring is more nucleophilic. And in indole, benzenoid ring is not susceptible for electrophilic attack. The electrophilic attack occurs in the pyrrole ring. Okay, so a pyrrole ring is more nucleophilic in indole. So reactivity towards many electrophiles, for example, pyrrole. Regioselectivity, the kinetic three substrate product predominates. Okay, three substrate product predominates. Second position in pyrrole, it occurs in the second position, but in indole, it occurs in third position. Predicts by estimating the energy of respective meal and intermediates, three substitution is favored. Okay, so whatever things third beta substitution or at the third position electrolytic substitution is more favorable, that one is predicted on the estimating energy of respective and intermediate. So all these things they have uh, proved on the basis of some calculations or some observations. Okay, so the electron substitution, it will occur either second or third position in pyrrole ring, because here in indole pyrrole ring is more nucleophilic than benzene ring. Okay, so electrophilic attack occurs at second, third, either second or third position, and more predominantly it occurs at the third position. Okay, so here you can see we will go through now different resonating structure, how the electrophile will attack at the third, that means why it will attack at the third position or it will get attack at the second position, and why the third is major subproduct and why second substitution is the minor product. Okay, so third one is more susceptible, stable because positive charge is on nitrogen. Benzylic cation, but can't derive silation from nitrogen without disrupting benzenoid aromaticity. We'll see now why the second substituent is the minor in case of electrophilic aromatic substitution. So here are the resonance structures for the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So here you can see we have shown the electrophilic substitution at third position, that means beta position. Then two base resonating structure we can form. Okay, so one positive charge residing on carbon atom, in another one positive charge is residing on the nitrogen atom. Positive charge cannot be delocalized without disturbing the aromaticity of benzene ring. Okay, so here if you will pay attention, the aromaticity of benzene ring, we didn't disturb the aromaticity of benzene ring when electrophile attacks at the third position, and it's better that we shouldn't have disturbed this aromaticity of benzene, it remains as it is. But when we attack at the second position, if electrophile is getting attacked at the second position, what is the resonating structure? So you can see over here total five number of different resonating structure they do form, but the aromaticity of benzene ring is getting disturbed when electrophile is getting attached at the second position. Okay, so this is not very good situation once we disturb the aromaticity of this benzene ring. Anyway, the positive charge is getting stabilized much more, but the major thing that we disturb the aromaticity of benzene ring, and which is not favored reaction condition, and due to that one electrolytic substitution at second position is minor substitution, and electrophile will get attack at the third position compared to the second position. So this substitution is predominant over this substitution. Okay, so this is the reason why question may be like that, why the electrophile is predominantly getting attack at the third position or beta position, and why not at the second position. So you can explain by at second position attack it destroys the aromaticity of the benzene ring. Okay, so and in third position as it remains or it regains aromaticity of benzene ring, so that's why third position attack is more favored over the second position attack. Okay, so here the traditional explanation for the reactivity of indole at C3 is that attack at C3 does not disrupt the aromaticity of the benzene ring in the cationic intermediate. Okay, so you can refer for the Julian Mills book. There they have given very nicely. The preferred site of electrophilic substitution is C3 because the cation formed by the C3 attack of electrophile is more stable than that of the C2 attack. In case of C3 attack, transition intermediate formed has positive charge adjacent to the nitrogen atom that can be stabilized by the delocalization of lone pair of electrons of nitrogen atom. So here is this C3 substitution. Whereas the positive charge of transitions intermediate formed by the C2 attack cannot be stabilized without disturbing aromaticity of the benzene. So here we are going, C2 substitution disturb the aromaticity of the benzene ring. If C3 position is occupied, if C3 position is occupied, then only electrolytic substitution takes place at C2 position, and if both of them are occupied, if C3 and C2 position both of are occupied, then electrophile attacks at the C6 position. Okay, so first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, so if these two positions is blocked, then electrophile will attack at the C6 position. Okay, so third electrophilic attack occurs at the C6 position. This is the orientation for the electrophilic substitution in case of indole. So protonation. In case of pyrrole also we have seen as lone pair is involved in the aromatic sextet. Okay, lone pair is involved in aromatic, so it's not easy to disturb this aromatic sextet. Indole is weak base. See, indole is a weak base having minus 3.5. Okay, weak base pK minus 3.5. The nitrogen atom of indole gets easily protonated even in water. Okay, if we will add a water to indole, then nitrogen atom will get protonated. Here is the 1H indolium cation, giving 1H indolium cation. However, the thermodynamically most stable cation is formed by the protonation at the C3 rather than the nitrogen atom. So this one is the most stable compared to this one. Okay, so we have done protonation at nitrogen at second position, C second, and at C3. So out of these three, this 3H indolium cation, this one 3H indolium cation, this one is the more stable. The three protonated cation, 3H indolium cation, retains full benzene aromaticity in contrast to the second protonated cation. Okay, with delocalization of charge over the nitrogen and alpha carbon. So why the 3H indolium cation is more stable? Because as third position is more susceptible for electrophilic attack, H plus is electrophile, and 3H indolium cation it preserves the aromaticity of the benzene ring. Here also aromaticity is getting disturbed in 1H indolium cation also. Okay, so aromaticity, this proton can be okay. So this one is also not stable, and here 2H indolium is okay. So if we will arrange this one, so 3H indolium cation is the highly stable compared to these two. Okay, next one. So that this one we have seen in previous